Have you ever wondered why some people seem to win in every situation, no matter how tough it gets? What if I told you that winning isn't about luck, but about mastering a set of principles, mindset, and techniques that anyone can learn? Today, I'm going to break down the blueprint to winning in life, business, and even the toughest situations. Stick with me, because this might just change your life forever. Segment 1, the winning strategy. Winning starts with a strategy, and strategy begins with clarity. Define your goal. Winning is impossible without a clear target. Whether it's getting that dream job, building a business, or achieving personal growth, you need to define your goal with laser-like precision. Ask yourself, what does winning mean to me? Is it financial freedom, personal fulfillment, or making a difference? Plan your moves. Break your goal into actionable steps. Winners don't rely on luck, they design their path. For example, Elon Musk didn't just dream about Tesla. He strategized every move, from funding to execution. Adapt and adjust. A strategy that doesn't evolve will fail. Winners constantly evaluate and pivot when necessary. Segment 2, the mindset of champions. Now that you have a strategy, let's talk about the fuel behind it, your mindset. Mental toughness. Winners thrive under pressure. They embrace challenges as opportunities to grow. Example, think of Serena Williams. Under the pressure of competition, she doesn't crumble, she rises. That's mental toughness. Action tip, practice resilience. Train your mind to see setbacks as stepping stones, not failures. Focus like a laser. In a world full of distractions, focus is your superpower. Winners shut out the noise. Steve Jobs famously said, focus is about saying no. Learn to prioritize. Action tip, try deep work. Dedicate focused, uninterrupted time to your most important tasks daily. Believe in yourself. Self-doubt kills more dreams than failure ever could. Muhammad Ali declared himself the greatest before the world did. Confidence is contagious, believe, and others will believe too. Segment 3, mastering technique, yourself, and your craft. Winning isn't just about mastering your craft. It's also about mastering yourself. Self-mastery. Winners manage their emotions, time, and habits. Action tip. Develop a morning routine that sets the tone for success. Meditation, goal setting, and physical activity work wonders. Master your craft. Excellence isn't optional, it's a requirement. Kobe Bryant practiced relentlessly. He didn't just rely on talent. He became obsessed with perfecting his skills. Action tip, commit to lifelong learning. Take courses, read books, and seek mentors in your field. Leverage feedback. Winners aren't afraid of criticism, they embrace it. Seek constructive feedback and use it to improve. Now that you've got the blueprint strategy, mindset, and technique, it's time to take action. Winning is a skill, and like any skill, it gets stronger with practice. So, what's stopping you from stepping into your greatness? If this resonated with you, hit the like button. Share this with someone who needs a win. And subscribe for more life-changing strategies. And remember, the only way to truly win is to start now. Your victory story begins today. Let's make it epic. Thank you for watching. I'm Anger Wakas, and together, we're building a community of winners. See you in the next video.